Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on the Progressive Unified Communications Reach UC mobile app. Here are some of the features of the mobile app. Full mobile compatibility. Easy to use interface. UCaas integration, that's unified communications done right. In-call options. Hold, record, transfer, join. Messages, that's SMS messages, and inter-office chat messaging. True unified communications. You can do video calling through any PBX contact that also has video capabilities. Zero-touch configuration. All the features that you're accustomed to will be pre-configured and ready for you. Real-time presence. You can see who's on a call at any time on your app. You will get a welcome email which will have your login username and extension number on it. Click the Complete Setup button so you can create a password for your app and a voicemail pin for your app. Remember to save your username and password in case you need to log into the app in the future. Now let's download the Reach UC mobile app from your preferred mobile app store, which looks like this. Go ahead and log in using your login name and password that you created from the welcome email. Now that you're logged in, let's take a look around inside the app. Here on this screen, you can make outbound calls just like you would on your cell phone. Let's make an outbound call now. Press the green send button.
Thank you for calling Progressive UC. Operating at
Here,
unified communications
you can press hold.
Quality and
You can
training
record the
purposes.
call.
If you know your party's extension, you may dial it any time.
You
or
can
press
transfer the
9 for a
call.
directory.
The call's transferred. Here on the bottom left, you can see your voicemail button. If you have voicemails in your voicemail box, they'll be showing in red. I have one showing in this voicemail box. Let's retrieve it.
Password followed by the pound key. You have 1. New message. Main menu. Press 1 for new messages. First new message. Message received on Friday at 11:06 a.m.
Hey, testing. Bye.
Press 1 to save. Press 2 to repeat. Press 3 to forward. Press 4 to delete. Press 5 to go to the next message. Press 6 to reply. Press pound to finish.
Let's go ahead and record our greeting on our mobile app. Go ahead and press the blue button there.
Set
Follow the
password
prompts to
followed by
enter
the
the
pound key.
password.
You have 1. New message. Main menu. Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 for old messages. Press 3 to send messages. Press 4 to set call forwarding. Press 5 to set your current options. Press 6 to change greetings. Press 7 to recover deleted voicemail.
Let's press 6 to change our greeting.
Greetings menu. Press 1 to record greetings. Press
Let's
2
go ahead and
to
press
review
1.
greetings. Enter the number of the greeting you wish to
We're going to
record.
press 1.
Start recording after the tone. Press pound when you are finished.
Hi, you reached Jay. I can't take this call right now, but if you leave your name, number, and a detailed message, I'll get right back to you. Thanks for calling.
Greeting recorded. Press 1 to select this recording as your greeting, or 0 to keep your previous greeting selection. Your greeting is...
Hi, you reached Jay. I can't take this call right now, but if you leave your name, number, and a detailed message, I'll get right back to you.
All right, let's go over some of the other features on the app. You'll notice on the bottom left you have the keypad. Next to that is contacts. If you press that, you can add contacts. Just fill out the prompts and click Save. We have messages next to that. These would be text messages and chats. You can make your business telephone number text capable, or we can also give you new numbers that you can use for text messaging. You can also share numbers for text messaging as well. Next to that is history. You can see your call history. I was dialing 5001 for the voicemail setup. You can dial that, press that again, and that'll repeat what we just did.
Password followed by the pound key.
Next to that is the PBX button. If you press that, you have presence. You can see everybody who is online with their mobile app or desktop app. Above that, you can see your account information. You can check voicemails on the VM tab, the voicemail tab. It will retrieve your data, and then once the data is retrieved, it'll pop up and you can listen to your voicemail messages. And then there is presence too. On the top left, you'll see the Progressive UC button. That's how you put it in Do Not Disturb. Just press that, put it in Do Not Disturb, and you will see D&D over that logo. This blue circle under the PBX tab, if you press that, you get more options. You can search contacts, update current status, sort contact list, change contact list. You can even send a fax. If you have a hosted fax set up, you can press the fax button there, and you can send a fax right out of your phone. You can choose a file, and you can send it as a fax number to a fax machine. This concludes this Progressive UC quick tutorial on the Reach UC mobile app.